If you want to make money online from affiliate marketing or selling your digital items and you don't know how you can promote these items properly and professionally, so in this video I'm going to show you a nice trick how you can promote these items completely for free and professionally using AI. So now let's get started. And the first tip here in our today's video, just head over to this amazing website that says storm.genie.stanford.edu. This amazing website belongs to Stanford University and enables you to generate high quality articles in the same style of Wikipedia ones. As you see here, code Storm, get a Wikipedia like report on your topic with AI. Any topic you are interested in, like coaching, art, history, and the like. So here just you can go to this amazing button and sign in. Then you'll be taken to this interface of this amazing tool, and for sure it's completely for free to generate high quality reports and articles in the same style of Wikipedia. Just here insert your topic. So for example, I would like to talk about something like art, the evolution of art through history. Okay, and for sure here it gives a lot of different information and data from all the trustworthy platforms and references to craft your own report or the entire article. So now click over this button start, and just in few seconds here this amazing tool will initiate it to make your own article as you see, like start browsing the internet and these references and the like. So now it's time to actually insert here your purpose for writing this report, like for research and making my own ebook and something like that. Then click over this button submit, and just in a few seconds here it gives you this amazing entire article as you see, from summary and passing through all these periods like prehistory art, cultural significance and ancient art, medieval wine, Renaissance, and so on and so forth, as you see. This long report for your topic. And for sure here you can notice this reference. If you click over this one, for example, just give you this short window the reference like from this article or from this platform, and for sure every single paragraph in this amazing article would be unique 100%. So if you test out some of these paragraphs in a plagiarism testing tool like this one, for example, it would be unique 100%. Okay, so don't worry about that. So all in all, just you have this amazing report regarding this amazing topic that for sure it goes around your own digital item or your affiliate product you want to promote in the first place. So now we can move on to the next step here. Just you can copy this entire article. Okay, so just Control A, okay, copy. Now we can head over to this amazing website that says gamma.app. For sure, most of you know this amazing tool to convert any piece of content or URL into an amazing digital PDF or landing page, website, and so on. So here you can find the three different options. Either you can paste your text or generate this one from the AI tool from this Gamma.app itself, or import from URL. So I just pick this one, paste in text. Then you've got to select your own result. It could be in presentation form or web page or website or landing page or document or a social. So I would like to select this one, presentation one, and paste here your article. Okay, paste. Okay, it'll be like that. Then it's time to just what do you want to do with this content. Just you can preserve as it is or summarize this long text to short paragraph or something. So I just prefer to summarize or preserve. So I would like to take this one, for example, okay, and continue to prompt editor. Then it's time to select your theme. So I would like to select this one, okay, and generate. And just in few seconds would be converted to this amazing PowerPoint presentation. That's it, as you see, this amazing PowerPoint or your PDF as you observe this document as you see, with amazing relevant AI generated images. So for sure, we all know that you can actually leverage this amazing document to promote anything you want, either digital, affiliate, or promote your own websites, YouTube channels, and so on, by just providing all these documents completely for free as a freebie to users in different platforms. And for sure, you've got to insert here your promotion or announce about your own digital item or your affiliate product just by inserting something like a button and a call to action to promote your own digital item. But in today's video, I would like to share with you a new way to attract many audience completely for free. So you just take it over to this three dots, okay, and export this document as a PowerPoint, okay? Then it's time now to go to this website that is slideshare.net, the home of PowerPoint presentations or any slides you want. And believe me, this amazing website is visited by millions of readers every single month to browse its content regarding any topic, any niche as you see. You can find here thousands of these readers' views for these presentations, okay? So now you can create here a free account on slideshare.net, okay, and then go to this button upload, and then upload your own PowerPoint that you downloaded from game.app, like this one. Then you can insert here some its settings like category. I would like to keep it art and photos. Insert your tags. For sure, it's the most important thing here to increase its exposure on the home feed or any user searches for something about that. And description, okay, it's also plays a big role to make the search engine optimized, and publish your button when you've done all these steps. So here the question comes up, how we can get this promotion. So for sure, before just uploading this PowerPoint here on SlideShare, it's better for you to you can insert a call to action in your PowerPoint in game.app just by making people and direct them to go to your bio or your description or your profile data, where you can promote your own affiliate or digital item or get more traffic to your website, your YouTube channel, and so on. So your slide would be like this, for example, like this. And here you can find your publisher name as you observe. So if someone would click over this one, if he admires your own slides and you direct them to this profile, he would see this website where you can insert here anything you are promoting, whether it is your digital item, affiliate product, website, YouTube channel, and so on as you see. So that way you can actually get more traffic to your own products indirectly and professionally as well as your usual ways to promote your stuff through social media, like insert your freebie in the link in the bio and get more traffic indirectly to your own product. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.